Sugar 500 grams. Soak in milk to melt. Take dry fruits. Put in jar. Add fennel seed 1 teaspoon. Grind it. Add green cardamom powder ½ teaspoon. Maida flour 1 kilogram. Add desiccated coconut and grind dry fruits. Veg oil 100 milliliters. Mix properly. Add soaked sugar. Mix and make a tight dough. Make balls and roll it. Cut into small pieces. Heat oil 500 milliliters for deep fry. Put it at high flame and later lower the flame and cook. Flip it and wait for brown color. Golden brown color is perfect to take it out from oil. Cool it at room temperature and serve.